Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a cloudy, cold, rainy day in the garden. No better place to be when it's raining than in the studio painting, I think. So today we are using a 15 by 30 canvas that I poured over previously, but I wasn't really crazy about it. So I have actually pre-painted it with one of my colors, and I have a flow extender in the same color that I may put down as, I think I'm going to put down as a base coat. So that's a 15 by 30. It is pinned and taped in the back, and we are repurposing it. So let me show you my colors and we'll get started. Everything tonight is mixed with Mix Pour. You can get your own mix by emailing Krista at Krista8974 and she will hook you up. The first color we're using is Goldens Permanent Violet Dark. I love, 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 love this color, and it has become very, very, very hard to find. It's not mixed super, super thick tonight. It is leaving a mound on a mound, but that mound sinks into itself pretty quickly. And I have watered the mix down quite a bit with these tonight. The next one we're using, my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And this one is just a smidge thicker than the other ones, as I don't want it to get lost. Okay. Next we are using Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Gorgeous color. Love it. And then we are using Quinacridone Violet, also from Golden. This is so pretty. I'm not a big fan of magenta, but this is a gorgeous color. And also, last but not least, oh no, not last, we have Golden's Prussian Blue over here. Another favorite of mine. Beautiful stuff. Okay, and last but not least, now it's last but not least, we have some DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in pure white mixed with a little bit of Goldens Iridescent Pearl. And I didn't put a lot of pearl in there. I kind of wish I had put a little bit more, but that's okay. So that's our white. Okay, so let's get started. Let's layer our cup. We're going to actually start with some of the pearl white. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the gold on there. And then we're going to come into that permanent violet dark. And then some of the Quinacridone crimson. Hear Baxter snuffling back there. He's got his secret weapon of the Kong filled with peanut butter.
Any port in a storm, doll. Any port in a storm.
Man, never works. A little bit more gold. We're going to come into our Prussian Blue now. And metallic cobalt. Actually, I'm going to put a tiny bit of pearl white in between those two. I'm going to put some gold on the other side of that. And we're going to do it again. Permanent Violet Dark, Quinacridone Crimson. That's such a pretty combination. I'm going to skip the white in between there this time, and I'm just going to go with the Prussian Blue. And some of the metallic cobalt. And some of the white. And some gold. A little bit of the crimson. And we're going to end this with some permanent violet dark. Okay. So our cup is ready. We're going to make sure our flow extender base coat is thinned out enough. It looks pretty good. I'm just going to add a little bit more water to it, just because I want it to spread out over the whole canvas as a base coat. And this is much thinner now, pretty much just sinking right into itself. Okay, I think we have enough. Alright, I'm gonna pour some of this right in the middle.
I'm sure you can see it up there.
Save a little bit of that. Let's give this a quick torch. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's start right here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, Mother.
Here we
I
go.
am ready.
We're going to do a wandering straight pour across the canvas. Good. Good, 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 good. Okay. Shall we tilt this out, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, Mother.
Okay. This is looking really, really pretty. All these fingerlings are gorgeous, and I'm hopeful that since we have a base coat on there on both sides, we're going to be able to keep those fingerlings more. Okay, here we go. So we're just going to start walking this down a little to the side, and then back down. Stretch this out diagonally. Over that corner. Come back. I really want to keep that side because it's very pretty. So we're going to move this all down to cover down, to come down to that edge. This through. There's a tiny bit of that. I'm gonna take a little bit of that bottom off, just so we can open up, because this top is looking really, really beautiful. Actually, before we do that, do you think we should keep the negative space or lose it?
I like the negative space.
Okay. So lose a little bit off the bottom instead. Okay. So we're going to take the weight of this down here a little bit. And then we're going to go down this way. And just let some of that roll off. And then we're going to bring it back towards me sharply. Oh, that's really pretty. Ta-da! As my good friend Karen likes to say. Please make sure you check out Karen Dershin from Waterfall Acrylics. She is coming up on, I believe it's 70,000 subscribers. So please make sure that you're subscribed to her channel, because she's an amazing, amazing lady, and she does some gorgeous, gorgeous work. So Karen Dershin from Waterfall Acrylics. Okay, I like this. I like all those fingerlings, how they've stretched out a little bit. They look really pretty. You think there's anything we need to change, HOA?
I think it's really cool. I like it. I like it a lot.
We could put a marble through this edge, but I don't know if we need to. It's a pretty smooth line. I think I'm not going to.
Only if it could make it better.
Yeah, but I really like these lines in here from the fingerlings where they opened up, especially right there where they're kind of poofy, cloudy, and then these beautiful parts, and then all these really pretty cells right there. And this is really pretty too. So let's take this down just a touch and compress those cells just a little bit. Okay. I really like them. Let's go back that way. This part is really cool. It does like multicolor stripy Sarah cells. Okay, let's torch this one more time, and then I think we're gonna actually be done. So for those of you who are newer to my channel, I get a lot of questions from people just starting out asking why we torch and why I use that torch in particular. That is actually a charcoal starter from Amazon. It's used to light your charcoal in your barbecues. But because I enjoy working on bigger canvases, if I use the little tiny creme brulee torch, it would take a long time to do some of the bigger ones, and I'm not the most patient person in the world. So I like my little charcoal starter. The reason that we actually torch, though, is because it pops the air bubbles. So if there's air bubbles that are at the surface, the torch will pop them. If there's some that are still down at the bottom and they haven't quite worked their way up, as it's drying, they could come to the surface and form like a tiny little mountain, a little bump. Or if they come to the surface and then they pop while the surface is kind of dry, they can leave a little divot. So it's much better for you to get rid of those bubbles in the beginning than it is towards the end. This is looking really pretty though. I really like everything in here. I love the metallic cobalt. I love the lines. I love that quinacridone crimson. I love the permanent violet dark. This part is gorgeous in here with all these pearl parts and the cobalt, metallic cobalt with the permanent black violet on the other side of it. And I love the little bit of Prussian in here and up in here too. So this is awesome. This is really cool. I like it. Let me turn it around so you guys can see it the right way. Alrighty, there we go. That's it. There we go. Okay, so that's really cool. I will show you this one when it's dry, hopefully, or in some stage of dryness at the end of this video. I do apologize that it's taking a little bit longer to show you dried results because the temperature is in the low 50s, upper 40s, like 48, 49, so everything is taking a lot longer than usual to actually dry, which frustrates me because then I don't have as much room to put things and can't actually paint. So Anyways, thanks for being here with us tonight. Be sure that you check out on Monday, December 13th. We will be starting our 12 Days of Christmas pours with Massey Art Studio and Sarah Mack and myself. I am going first. That will be at 4 o'clock Pacific time, so that's 7 Eastern time on December 13th. I am doing a partridge in a pear tree, so it'll be a lot of fun. I think Sarah's got the 2 turtle doves and Lee has the 3 French hens, so it'll be really, really fun. But I will see you guys on Monday. Thanks for being here with us. We'll be right back. Okay, so here she is. I was waiting all day for it to dry so I could shoot an outro in the sun, and it was not dry enough. Of course, now at night, it seems like it's dry enough, but I still wouldn't really want to stand it up to shoot an outro. But this is looking pretty cool. I love, love, love. Let me zoom in. All of these fingerlings and that beautiful poofy cloudy effect that we got from using our Satin Enamels Pure White. Gorgeous lines, gorgeous cells. I love this part. The Prussian Blue and the metallic Cobalt. And I love right here where there's the permanent violet dark and the metallic Cobalt. Those little bits of white poofy cloudy cell on top. This one turned out really, really, really pretty. I love these cells over here where we had that Quinacridone Violet. And it gave us a little bit of pink with some of that gold and the cells popping up through there. I love those lines. Really cool stuff. I love the negative space. You can see it dried with a pretty shine on it. Thank you, Mix Pour. I like this one a lot. It reminds me of clouds. So I was looking up clouds. And we're going to call this one Cumulus. Because A, I like that word, and I think it kind of matches the description of those fingerlings. So that's really, really cool. I will show you this one when it's totally, totally dry in the sun, but I did want to show it to you guys tonight. And now we're going to go pick the winner of our 350th video giveaway. Yay, so excited. So good luck to you all. We'll be right back. Okay, it's time to pick our winner for our 350th video giveaway. We're giving away that 12-inch round Convexo canvas with the beautiful little straight pour with the cells on it. I have put in my video URL, and we are searching for comments that say the word 7. So we have 137 comments, and we are going to start our raffle and pick our winner. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Brenda Roberts. Yay! 7 swans a-swimming. Awesome. Congratulations, Brenda. Please message me or email me, and we will get your painting out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Brenda. We'll see you real soon.